Hello everyone, Secret Super Chef is back again. Today's recipe is Bora style Dal Chawal Palidu, or as we famously call it, DCP. Let's begin with the detailed steps. This recipe calls for the pigeon peas or the tuar dal. Here I have taken 8 fistfuls of dal for 4 people, washed it, soaked it for 2 hours. Now we'll boil a dal. In 10 cups of water, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Once our water boils, add the soaked pigeon peas. Now we'll boil the dal till it's almost done. When you lift the grain, you will feel it that it's almost cooked. Now place a sieve over a bowl and drain the dal. Reserve the water. This water will become our main ingredient of a curry. Now in the reserved hot water, add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. After a few minutes, you'll notice that the flour has dissolved, but if you notice lumps, just whisk it up. Set this aside. Now let's prepare the rice. For the rice, I have taken basmati rice here, and I have taken 10 fistfuls of rice for 4 people. Wash and soak the rice for an hour. Now in the same pot that we had boiled the dal, take 10 cups of water, add 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of salt, and add the soaked rice. Now we'll cook the rice till they are almost 3/4 done. Once they are done, drain the water. Place half of the boiled rice at the bottom of the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee and set this aside. Now let's do the tempering of the pigeon peas. In 2 tablespoons hot oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 stick cinnamon, 3-4 cloves and 2-3 green chilies. Add a few curry leaves. Now add 2 finely sliced onions. Saute the onions for 4-5 minutes. Now add 4 to 5 sliced garlic cloves. Fry till they turn golden brown in color. Now let's add 3 chopped tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes on high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Let's add the spices. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of the reserved dal water. Add the boiled dal. Cook the dal in this tempering for 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure no water is left and the dal mixture is dry. Now we'll layer our prepared dal mixture over the rice. Evenly layer the dal all over the rice. Layer the remaining rice on top. So basically we have 3 layers: the rice, the dal, and again the rice. Cover and let the rice cook on a very slow flame for 35 to 40 minutes. Now we'll prepare our palidu or the curry. In 2 tablespoon oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon fenugreek. Add 2 green chilies. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add few curry leaves. Fry the masala for 5 minutes. Let's add the spice powders. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt according to your taste. Fry the masalas for 2 minutes. Now add 3 chopped tomatoes. Once the oil starts to separate, we'll add 1 lauki or the bottle gourd. This is a small lauki, say around 400 grams. I have peeled it and cut it into small pieces. Now I'm going to add some sweet potatoes also. These are 4 sweet potatoes peeled and sliced. If you want, you can skip the sweet potatoes, but they really give a nice taste to the palida. I'm making the palida in the cooker. You can use a pot as well. Close the pressure cooker, put the whistle and cook for just 1 whistle. Sweet potatoes are very tender. They cook very easily, so they do not require a lot of whistles. 1 whistle and it's all cooked. Now add 2-3 pieces of the gila kokum. This will give tanginess to our palida. Now we'll add the dal water in which we had added the flour. The flour that we are adding it will give a little thickness to our palida. Boil our palida for 30 to 35 minutes till you notice that it's become nice thick consistency. We call it by lot of names, dal chawal palidu or khichdi dal ka pani or khud dal palidu, whatever it is. This is one of the famous and favorite of all Bohras. Serve along with some pickle and papad. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching my recipes. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.